You're very welcome back to another video where we will be doing this beautiful 8" by 8" canvas. So we're going straight into it here and we're popping on our base. And our base today is Vandyke Brown by Amsterdam. I'm just popping that on the canvas and I'm going to use the hairdryer to blow it out and spread it around to give us a nice even layer. And once we have that done, we're then ready to pop on our colours. And with this canvas, we're going to be working with a puddle in the centre. We're going to blow it out from there and let the magic happen. So the first colour that I'm popping on here is a fluorescent orange colour. And I'm popping that straight into the centre. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. And then the next colour I'm popping in is greenish blue. So it is exactly as it's described. It's a blue colour with a little tinge of green. It's a very beautiful colour. So that goes in next. And then we're following that up with yellowish green. And this is a colour by Amsterdam. And also it is indeed a yellowish green. Very nice. And then the last colour that we're popping on is our metallic. And that is gold. Now you can see we have a lovely little puddle in the centre. And next we're popping on some little dots of blue. Just for fun. And little dots of the orange, also just for fun, because why not? I'm just flowing with it here. And then for the design part, we're taking a palette knife and I'm doing a little squiggles from the outside of the puddle into the center in 3 different directions. But that's it, I'm stopping there. And next I'm going to use my breath instead of the hairdryer for this one, so it'll give us a lovely little delicate effect. And I'm blowing it out in 3 different directions from this puddle. And that's it. Beautiful. So we're picking it up now and we're popping it onto our spinny thing. We're going to spin it out. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at those designs, the squiggles that we added in. You can see they're really holding a lovely center there in the piece. And that's it. We've spun it just twice. That is one of the joys of working with a small canvas. And it doesn't take a whole lot to get something really beautiful going on in it. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful. I'm very happy that I decided to use the brown base. And the blue and the yellowish green and the orange are not colours that I would use at all. But I'm very glad I did. I think they work really well together. And you can see the lines that have come in and really shaped the piece the whole way from the edge of the canvas into the centre through the gold. Beautiful. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. And I will be back with you again next week. Bye!